All right, how you doing today? Today we're taking a look at DC Snares from Plugin Boutique. Really cool plugin here. A lot more than just snare drums. There's kick drums in here. There's percussion sounds. There's claps, all kind of stuff. You can check the link in the video description below. I do have an affiliate link, so if you do plan to purchase through my link, I will make a small commission at no additional charge to yourself. This is also available in some bundles. They got all kind of great deals there. You can check them out. Also, please do subscribe to my channel. I have hundreds of other videos in my back catalog, all kind of music production stuff, all kind of software, all kinds of stuff. So anyways, let's get into this. So this is my first look video. We got all kind of cool things we can do with this. We got lots of presets, sample sounds. We have layers of snare drums, layers of sounds, all kind of stuff. We have a keyboard layout where C2 is the root key. We have different pitches, and then we can do some timing here with the C3 key. By timing, I mean different patterns, obviously, different divisions of time. We could use the pitch and as that at the same time. Again, we have a billion presets in here. Acoustic. Depending on your song, you can find out the good pitch of your snare drum. Great for production / mixing. I like to produce and mix at the same time, getting the sounds all to go together well. Sometimes finding the right sounds, obviously not sometimes, all the time, finding the right sounds in your production is key. So yeah, and then we have bass drum sounds in here as well. That's not a bass drum, that's booms and stuff like that. So it is called snares, but there's, you know, other things in here. Because basically it's a sampler. And we could do a lot of electronic snares. Got experimental patches. So snares, kicks, sound effects, add some extra, you know, this air candy to your tracks when you need those extra little hits and stuff like that. And of course, we can experiment with the different layers here. Turn these off, you get 4 different layers. Sometimes when I'm looking for those extra air candy sounds, I go and splice or something. With this, you can just, you know, dial in your own, go through some patches, find in, you know, what you're looking for. And all that kind of fun stuff. There is an advanced editing here as well. I haven't really dived into this too much, but there's synthesis in here and all kind of other things that you can take a look at. We got transient, we got EQ, we got resonator, we got compression, low pass filter, gates, reverb, delays, and we have bus sends that we can send to the buses here. So you can really dial in some pretty crazy sounds. Again, it's called DC Snares, but it's more than just snares. So maybe you like that tone, maybe you like that hit in your song, but you don't want this part. Of course, I just turned it all off. Okay, that's one sound, that's why. So you can dial in different parameters on here. Sizzler. Let's see what that is. Again, this is my first look, so I'm discovering it right now myself. So maybe you just want that as a hit of some sort. Add in your verb. Some Sizzler. Whatever that is. Saturation. Delay. And then we can pick a sound here. We can import our own sounds as well, apparently, or synth noise, sine wave. So pretty cool. Turn off some of this stuff, see what's actually going on with the sound by itself. So we get a lot of fine tuning here, turn the volume down with the white noise. Just so you know what the white noise is doing. It's just that little sizzle on top. So it's a snare designer, if you will. Really get some cool sounds, layering stuff. I don't know, I'm just experimenting with it here. First time I've been taking a look at it. Just downloaded it today. Let me know if you have any questions. Oh, we've got a randomizer up here as well. We got some world percussion stuff. So pretty cool. Check it out. Let me know what you think. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.